Hi there, and welcome to this training video on getting started with Enterprise Invoice and Pay. My name is Orla from Enterprise, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your organization details. So let's jump right in. In Enterprise, click in the top right settings, and this will open on your organization details. In here, you can fill out details such as your company name, your company email address, phone number, website, and tax ID. Further down, you can enter in your company address, which will show on all of your documents to your customers and suppliers. Once all of the information is entered, simply click on Save. Following up on the top right, you can see more information about your company, such as the currency that it's in, and also upload a logo to brand up your documents. Simply click on Select File, upload your logo in either JPEG or PNG format, and save. Simple as that. Your logo is now available on all your documents going to your customers and suppliers. For more information about the system, be sure to check out some of our other training videos or visit our help centre at help.enterprise.com. You can also chat to one of the members of the Enterprise team down here on the right by sending us a message, or you can get easy access to our Enterprise Help Centre. Thanks for watching and goodbye.